Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Muhammad Farooq Akhtar, and today we are going to discuss one a very interesting and a different topic which normally is not have not been discussed in a marketing perspective. But in international marketing perspective, we have to teach, we have to study it in a detail about the geography of that particular country and that region, because it matters a lot in international marketing perspective and international trade and business perspectives. Like here we shall talk about the climate and topography. Number one is climate. Climate, when you go abroad, you must have to understand about the climate changes. Like if we shall working in Pakistan, in Pakistan we have a different climates. We have a different weather. Like in center we have a hot weather, in north we have a cold weather, and in south we have a much hotter weather than these two specific regions of Pakistan. Even though when you shall go in abroad in any other country of the world, you have to face a multiple weather conditions. Like there may be a possibility you may get some humid weather. You may go and find some cold weather, and there may be a possibility that you have to find a very hot, there may be a possibility that you may find a very constant weather. Like in Malaysia, when we were living in the Malaysia, I have seen that almost in 24 in for 12 months we have seen almost a similar weather condition in Malaysia. So when you go abroad, you'll have to study about the weather and the climate issues, like their rainfall fall condition, their snowfall conditions, and all these things, because it matters a lot in marketing decisions. Like it matters in packaging decisions. It matters in product preparation. Like if you are working in, like in Pakistan, almost 6 months, 6 to 7 months are a hot weather, and 3 to 4 months are a cool weather. However, when you go abroad, there may be a chances in that country you'll have to find a 12 months cold weather, and there may be a chances that you have to find a 12 months a very moderate weather. Then you'll have a much better opportunities to work there. So it's better to understand the climate conditions, because it will be helpful to create some product. It is helpful to create some changes in your product designs. Like if we in Pakistan we are preparing some clothes, so we want to start a business in Bangladesh. You want to start your business in England, in UK, United Kingdom. There may be a chances that due to weather condition you'll have to change your product designs. You will have to change your product thickness. You will have to change the product softness. You will have to change the content of the product, and there may be a chances that you'll have to change the product based on climate. Other things, I'm not going to discuss about the other things, like their standards. They have some certain kind of a laws. We are not actually talking about the laws and the standards. We are actually talking that how the products are changed on international basis, and as per the need of the, okay, as per the need of the based on the climate. Second, a very important thing is the topology. Topology means you are talking about the mountains, how much mountains are there, how much hills are there, how much rivers are there in that particular country, their canal system, their water issues. They have some certain kind of a plain areas, because all these things are very important in supply chain management decisions. These are very important to understand their consumption patterns. You have these all things are very important to understand, their locations and their prices and all these things are matter when you'll have to understand the topology of any country. These are very these two like climate and topology are very important to understand while go abroad, because your pricing decisions, your product decisions, your place decisions, and even your promotional decisions are based on these climate changes and all these things. Thank you very much for listening the lecture. Hopefully in next lecture we shall talk about the environmental changes based on the geography and all these things. Thank you very much.